Casey Gambina, in between, from February 6 to 9 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Presented by Smart Araneta Coliseum this 9th day of February 2026 in Quezon City, Philippines. Signed by Irene L. Jose and Maria Victoria Araneta Flores.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Sabi ka dito. Hindi sumali ka na. Hindi na.